Dilation and evacuation. D and C is a second trimester gynecological procedure. Let's understand its indications, instruments, procedure, and safety points in a simple and exam-oriented way. It is a gynecological procedure in which the cervix is dilated and the contents of the uterus are removed using suction and surgical instruments. This procedure is usually performed in the second trimester of pregnancy, unlike D and C, which is mostly done in early pregnancy. In simple words, D and C is the dilation of cervix, suctioning of uterine contents, and evacuation. D and C is commonly performed in the following situations: incomplete abortion in second trimester of pregnancy, missed abortion when gestational age is advanced, when the fetal is incompatible with life due to anomalies, and there are intrauterine fetal demise, or when medical methods of evacuation fails.
D and D.
D is performed when gestational age is more than 12 to 14 weeks. Let's talk about the instrument set. First is the vaginal speculum for visualization. Then the next instrument is tenaculum or vorsalum for a strong grip. Cervical dilators for dilatation of cervix. Suctioning cannula, ovum forceps, and curettes to evacuate the remaining products of abortion, and sponge holding forceps. Unlike D and C, forceps and suction play a major role in D and E. Let's discuss the procedure stepwise. First of all, patient is placed in lithotomy position. Cervix is exposed using a speculum. Then cervical dilation is gradually done with increasing in diameter of dilators. Suction cannula is introduced to remove the uterine contents. Ovum forceps are also used if needed to remove the uterine contents. Gentle curettage is done to ensure complete evacuation of product. This procedure is usually done under anesthesia with strict aseptic measures. Important safety points, which includes gentle cervical dilation to avoid trauma. Avoid excessive force to prevent uterine perforation. Continuous patient monitoring. Strict asepsis to prevent infection. The possible complications of this procedure can be uterine perforation, hemorrhage, infection, and cervical injury. Let's make it simple. Dilation and curettage is done in first trimester, which is only the scraping method, whereas dilation and evacuation is done in second trimester, which includes suctioning as well as evacuation of uterine contents. Now, tell me which procedure is performed in second trimester in case of incomplete abortion. Is it D and C or D and E?
Visit our playlist.gyne instruments and procedures on Medscope.